Hey yo, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel One to Step. If you want to add more photos on your plenty of dating website, then let me teach you. First of all, open your web browser and type in www.pof.com and hitting enter. As you can see, it has led me to the official website of Plenty of Fish. Now to add more photos, you need to go to my profile, that is on the top page of this web page. As you can see here, click on it and click on edit profile. Now scroll down a little bit. As you can see, between the settings and this manage account, click on this upload photos. Now click on upload photo button and your face have to be visibly clear, then only it will let you upload your photo. Now click on the photo you want and click on open. You can also choose the option saying main photo, public photo or private photo. Now I'm going to put it as public photo and click on save. As you can see, it has successfully uploaded and add a new photo on my Plenty of Fish dating app account. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. And I'll see you guys later.